Okay, now that we're about 2/3 of the way through the book, we're going to start charting how themes change throughout the book. So to set up this activity, you are going to need a group of 2 to 3 people. You're going to need some chart paper, which is located in the cabinet to the left of my desk, and you're going to need the markers on the table. Go ahead and pause the video now while students can get set up. Okay, now that you're set up, I'd like you to set up a chart. The chart needs a beginning, middle, and end section, and then it needs an Esperanza symbol and other women row. What you'll do is you're going to chart what does Esperanza's, let me try that again. You're going to chart for the prompts in each part of the book. So for example, what 2 to 3 adjectives describe Esperanza best as she relates to a theme in the beginning of the book? So you just answer the question in a phrase and cite one piece of evidence. And then you'll answer the same question in the middle section. What 2 to 3 adjectives describe Esperanza best as she relates to a theme in the middle section? This theme might be the same, so you might trace, for example, her identity or how gender roles affect her identity. The theme might also change. Either way, it's okay. You're looking for how does Esperanza change and citing evidence. Same thing for your symbol. So the prompt is choose a symbol connected to the theme of your choice and cite a piece of evidence. What about your theme does the symbol represent in this part of the novella? So in the beginning, in the middle. This one's a little trickier. You need to pick a theme that unites your symbols. So for example, you might pick poverty. So you need to do a symbol with poverty in the beginning and a symbol with poverty in the middle. It's easiest if you pick the same symbol that runs throughout the book, but you don't have to as long as your theme remains the same. Then you also need to do the other women row. So the other women prompt is choose one other woman besides Esperanza that is connected with this theme. Again, pick a theme. Cite one piece of evidence. What about your theme does this character, represent in this part of the novella? So again, you want to pick maybe gender roles and how they limit opportunity, or poverty and how they form a woman's identity. So you might pick a woman in the beginning and a woman in the middle. The key here is to pick the same theme that runs throughout. That is, and a character that is not Esperanza. It's okay if you pick a different character in the beginning than from the middle. We just read section 6, so if you want to include section 6 in the middle sections, that's fine. It's kind of an in-between place. You do want to leave this third row blank because sections 7 and 8 are technically the end. Please feel free to replay this if you need directions, and substitute, please leave this up on the screen so that students have the visual. Once you finish the poster, please be sure you put your name on it and turn it into the front, and any remaining time you can use to either study vocab or finish anything in section 6 that you didn't get a chance to read. Thanks everyone.